Welcome students once again in a grammar class. Today in grammar we are going to learn a new chapter, that is lesson number 11, number of nouns. Now when we talk about one person or one thing, one animal, at that time it is called singular, and if it more than one, that is called plural. Number of noun means we are talking about singular and plural. As we already know that when a noun refers to a single person, animal or thing, it is called singular. And when it refers many persons, animals or things, it is called plural. A singular noun changes into plural noun in many ways. Now first of all we will see by adding s to the singular noun examples. Let's see some example. Balloon, balloons. House, houses. Now here we are adding only s. Ball, balls. Eye, eyes. Horse, horses. Cup, cups. Spoon, spoons. Car, cars. Doll, dolls. Clock, clocks. Now we go to the next. Now here we can see by adding es to the singular noun which are ending with ch, x, ss, s or sh. It means if our noun ends with a hissing sound means like snake how hiss, like that way, that is called a hissing sound. So when the singular noun which ends with ch, x, double s, s or sh, at that time to make it plural, at the end of the singular noun we will add es. Let's see some examples like box, boxes. Now you can see, now box, it ends with x, so now to make it plural I am adding es. So box, boxes. Same way, now here you can see this word bench. Bench is ending with ch, So ch, when the word ends with ch, to make it plural we are adding es. So bench, benches. Branch, branches. Here again you can see the word is ending with ch, so to make it plural I will add es. Brush, brushes. Now here the word ends with sh, so when the word ends with sh, at that time also to make it plural we are adding es. So brush, brushes. Bunch, bunches. Now here with ch, here it is adding with ch, so ch. So when it is adding with ch, to make it plural we are adding es at the end. So bunch, bunches. Bush, bushes. Same way sh, when it ends with sh, at that time also to make it plural we are adding es. So bush, bushes. Dish, dishes. Dress, dresses. Now here it is ending with double s. So when when the word ends with ss, when the noun ends with the word ss, with the letter ss, to make it plural we are adding es. So dress, dresses. Same way with fox, foxes. Now here it is ending with x. So when the noun ends with x, to make it plural at the end we are adding es. So fox, foxes. Glass, glasses. Now we go to the next rule by changing y at the end into I. Now suppose if the last letter of the noun is y, and before Y, if there is a consonant, so to make it plural, I will, instead of Y, I will add I and then I will add ES. I will show you. Now suppose here my last letter is Y. My last letter is Y, and before that I am having a consonant B. I am having a consonant B. Now when there is a last letter is Y and I am having before that consonant letters, so to make it plural, instead of Y I will cut the Y. Instead of Y I will write I. Instead of Y I will write I and then I will add ES to make it plural. So baby, babies. Again I would like to say, now if my noun ends with Y and before Y if there is a consonant. Now you are knowing there are letters of English alphabets, you are knowing A, E, I, O, U are known as vowels and rest of the alphabets are known as consonants. So now here before Y there is B. So B is a consonant. So when my noun ends with Y and before Y if there is a consonant, to make it plural, instead of Y I will use I and then I will add ES. So baby, babies. Same way lady, ladies. Here also again you can see. Now my last letter is Y and before that I am having a consonant D. Now when I am having a consonant D, I will cut this Y and I will add I and then I will add ES. So lady, ladies. Same way lily, lilies. Fairy, fairies. Diary, diaries. Cry, cries. Now we go to the next rule. Now we will add only S if the Y comes after vowel. Suppose now my last letter ends with Y and before Y I am having a vowel. Vowel means A, E, I, O, U. So at that time I will use only S to make it plural. Now my last letter is Y and before that I am having a vowel E. So to make it plural I will add only S. Chimney, chimneys. Donkey, donkeys. Key, keys. Monkey, monkeys. Toy, toys. Now if you go to the next rule. Now if my word ends with F or FE, at that time to make it plural I will change F or FE into VES. Now here I am having calf. Now last letter is F. Last letter is F. Now to make it plural, instead of F I will write VES. Yes, I will change F and I will write VES. Calf, calves. Same way leaf, leaves. Loaf, loaves. Shelf, shelves. Thief, thieves. Wolf, wolves. Knife, knives. Now here I am having FE. So for FE also, instead of FE, to make it plural, I will write VES. So knife, knives. Wife, wives. Now we say these are the exceptions. Though the word ends with F, we will add only S with this below word. These are the exceptions. So dwarf, dwarfs. Gulf, gulfs. Hoof, hoofs. Roof, roofs. Buffalo, buffaloes. Now here the noun ends with O. Now here you can see my noun is ending with O. Now my noun when it ends with O, to make it plural, after O I will add ES. So buffalo, buffaloes. Again I will say, if my noun ends with O, and to make it plural, after O I will add es. Buffalo, buffaloes. Hero, heroes. Mango, mangoes. Mosquito, mosquitoes. Cargo, cargoes. Potato, potatoes. Tomato, tomatoes. Now these are the exception. We will add only s with these below words. Bamboo, bamboos. Photo, photos. Piano, pianos. Now some nouns form their plural by changing of vowel. Now here, changing of vowel. We have to change the vowel and then we can make it plural. Now man. Now here which is a vowel? A. A is a vowel. Now A is a vowel. Now I will change this A to make it plural. So man, men. Foot, feet. Now here also double O is vowel, and to make it plural, feet. I am changing double O into double E. So foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. Goose, geese. Mouse, mice. Now here we can say that the plural of ox is oxen. The plural of child is children. Now we can say some nouns have the singular and plural alike. Like example, sheep, sheep. Deer, deer. So this is how we can change singular to plural form by following these rules. Thank you.